I'm not sure what kind of video this is going to be today. I'm going to go, so a little bit ago, I did the video on my R6 where I tried out that new road, and I really liked it. Since that was a nice road and it was scenic and stuff, and I haven't been there in a while, that's where I'm going for this video. Kind of mix it up and hopefully have a good time. The reason I say I don't know what kind of video today is going to be, meaning like, I don't know, you got douchebags like that. Today's been wild. Today has been all over the place. I went to go get fingerprinted for my job, and I asked them about like a start date and everything, which they gave me an estimate, and it's about a week and a half from now. So I thought, okay, that's good, because that gives me some more time to stock up on videos. I finally got to get some shots of a Cybertruck. If you saw one of my other videos, I had mentioned wanting to do that before. Unfortunately, again, I wasn't on my bike, but at least I got to get some videos of it this time. So like, I still looked at it as a positive. Yeah, I wish I would have been on a bike, but I wasn't. But I had that go well, and then I was just kind of minding my business at home, and out of pure jealousy and narcissism, I would say, I had my own family member just attack me, pretty much. I'm not going to go into details. I easily could, because he doesn't watch the videos. So I definitely could, but there's no need to. Like, I'm not going to draw more attention to it. He drew plenty to it, and I think he embarrassed himself enough. So I'm not going to bring any more to it. He just threw a tantrum. It was extremely childish and frustrating, but it's whatever. I'm not going to just talk about it. And then to add to that, right as I was grabbing my helmet to go riding, literally picked my helmet up, about to leave, someone just added a little more salt to the wound with what they messaged me. So I was having a pretty decent day, right? My reels did decent today. They've been doing really poor lately, but for the past, but like 2 of them this week have done decent, 2 or 4. So I was grateful for that. I was happy about it. And I was trying to look at the positive side of things, but people are kind of ruining that. I'm trying not to let it get to me. My dad and sister were backing me up with the whole stupid family ordeal, so I appreciate them for that. It was nice to have someone else be like, yeah, you're completely right, like what he's doing is crazy. So it was nice to have that. My dad was reminding me to basically not really respond, not give it attention, which I was planning on doing anyways. I gave it, I digress, but I appreciate the support I got from them. But so yeah, like I said, the rough start date is a week and a half from now, so that gives me some time to stockpile some more videos for you guys, weather permitting. As you can see today, we don't really have the best weather. It did. It was raining this morning. It was kind of supposed to rain throughout the day, but surprisingly hasn't. Last I checked, it's like a 20% chance right now, but I only have a week and a half left of free time to stockpile for you guys, so I want to do it as much as I can. But at least I finally got the answer on that, so I have like a rough start date, which is nice. It's a relief, because I can really use the money, like desperately, so that'll be a relief. I'm gonna miss doing this almost daily, just getting to vent to you guys and stuff, but unfortunately life is very expensive, and for me, YouTube does not pay bills. It doesn't pay anything, so I can't do this to make any money, which is fine. I'm still doing it for fun, just because I enjoy doing it. And I appreciate all the support from you guys. And anything as simple as just watching the video. It's a nice early fall day. Leaves are changing. Not completely, but like they're starting to. So I figured why not go take a nice scenic back road. And we'll just relax together. We'll just hang out and ignore everything else going on for the next. You guys will probably be with me for another, like, I don't know, 8 minutes maybe, 8-10 minutes, however long. So let's just zone out for that time. We'll just enjoy the sound of the bike, the scenery, anything I have to yap about. I hope you guys are having a better day. I still have the ESD error code and the FI light on for some reason. I thought I had figured it out, but apparently not, unless I need to officially do like the code clearing ride again and see if that does it, because you got to do like the official procedure. So I don't know if maybe if I do that again, if it'll fix it. It does make me sad to see that screen is broken, right there where the turn signal is. I liked. Oh, I smell something burning. I hope it's not the bike. Should be fine. I liked looking down and just seeing. I still do enjoy okay. I still do like seeing that and enjoy it. It's just sad seeing this. Like, there's a big eyesore, and it draws my attention every time. I'm trying to look at my cool fancy tachometer, and I just see the busted part, which I'm assuming either I busted with my face, like my camera, by smacking into it, or it smacked into the triple tree up here and broke that way. But I'm glad I didn't have to replace it, because that would have been expensive. I'm gonna do a rundown of how much I have into this bike. I'm saving that video for in the winter when I legit can't ride, like if it's too cold or snowy or whatever. I'm gonna make that video, because it's just gonna be sitting in my garage with the paper in front of me and the bike, talking to you guys. Every time I bought something, I went over to the notebook, I wrote it down, how much money it cost me. That way I had an exact running count. And I'm just going to be completely open and honest with you guys, tell you all the numbers, what I spent and everything, and just kind of have like a little hangout talk video in the garage. So I'm saving that one specifically for like when I can't go riding. At least that's the plan. Another planned video I have that I will try to do sometime soon, weather permitting, is a pure sound video on this bike. I've done a couple on my R6, but I've never done one on this bike. So I plan to do that where I don't talk at all. I just let the bike do all the talking. and I plan to use both cameras. Have the one mounted on the back like I did for my R6 and the one on my helmet. That way you can hear it up close too. So I do have that in mind as well. I'll try to get that in before I start the new job. Hopefully. This is going to be a video that takes like 2 hours to make. Well, 2 hours just to record, I mean, but that doesn't count like editing and all that stuff. Alright, I quit talking so that the video wouldn't be way too long and I could keep in this part where we actually get to the nice scenic road. I've only been on this road one time, so I still have to learn it, but I just remember really liking it. Also had some people in the comments say that they also enjoyed the road, so come back for you guys as well. This is where my R6 would shine more, because it's a 600, and if you're not very familiar, 600s are much better at like curves and stuff than 1000s, but can't give all the attention to the R6, so we're out on this one. Like right in the middle where some trees are like fully yellow, most of them are still pretty green but have like yellow and red spots on them, so it's very like diverse, I guess. I don't know, but it's not like all yellow and orange yet. There's still a good bit of green, but it looks good. A lot of comments, people saying they're jealous because they don't have fall like in whatever state they're in, so they don't get to see like stuff like this. So it makes me happy to like share it with people who don't get to experience it, kind of live vicariously through me through the videos. I like to do that with other people, so I fully get what it feels like to kind of do that. They just flashed me. Is it? Here we go again. Now I have to wonder the same thing. Did they flash me to warn me about cops, or do they think I have a headlight out? It was about a cop. Thank you. I wasn't really speeding. I mean, I was going like 6 over. But thank you. Okay. See, that time, I appreciate the flash. I was about to go on a rant like, oh, don't flash motorcycles. Most of them have one headlight out on purpose. Blah, blah. Thank you. That one was a legitimate flash, and I appreciate it. So nice back here. Very peaceful. That's probably, I'd say, the main reason I love riding is you hop on your bike, you just kind of block out the rest of the world, everything else that happened throughout the day, and you just focus on riding and what you're passing, and you just let everything else go. It's a lot like if you don't know what riding's like, but you know what fishing or hunting is like, where you just go sit in the woods and forget about everything else. You just live in that moment. It's a lot like this, and that's my favorite thing about it. Nothing else really matters except for what you're doing. Well, unfortunately, we're about to come to the end of the road, or at least as far as I've gone, and I'm not going to go any further because I turned around up here last time and it seemed a little interesting, so I don't really want to go any further. But I'm going to record on the way back like usual, so I'll have another video on this road, just kind of relax and enjoying it. But I do think that's going to be it for this one. I feel like this one's going to be kind of on the longer side, because I talked a decent amount, and I also want to show off like just how nice it is back here. Enjoyable. Like I said, the whole point of this video is to get us all to relax, so hopefully I accomplished that. I feel a little better, except for morons like that who drive on the other side of the road. But besides people like them, I feel a little better. I hope you do as well. Like I said earlier, I appreciate all the support, everything down to just a view, just watching the video. I really appreciate that, so thank you, as always, and I truly mean it. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in about 2 minutes on my way back, but for you it'll be a couple days, so actually might be a week. I will address that in the next video, because this one's going to be too long, so I'll address that in the next video. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you then.